Welcome to the CA Performance Management version 3.2 and CA Virtual Network Assurance version 3.2 video enhanced Viptela SD-WAN support. SD-WAN is an application of software-defined networking used in modern infrastructures to dynamically route traffic across multiple transport technologies for less expensive connectivity and improved customer experiences. This video will examine the enhanced features offered in CA Performance Management 3.2 and CA Virtual Network Assurance 3.2 for the Viptela SD-WAN technology. CA Performance Management 3.1 introduced monitoring of Viptela SD-WAN environments, which featured automatic discovery of SD-WAN constructs, CA Performance Center device reconciliation between Virtual Network Assurance and SNMP discovery, and a full-featured SD-WAN tunnel statistic dashboard as seen here. This dashboard featured several views which offered intuitive workflows for quick insight into the health of the underlying components of your SD-WAN infrastructure, such as edge routers, tunnels, and interfaces. CA Performance Management 3.2 greatly enhances your visibility into the performance of your Viptela SD-WAN environment by extending its modeling, monitoring, and analysis into the application space. Now in version 3.2, two application-level constructs, SLA Classes and SLA Paths, are also modeled based on the SD-WAN components automatically discovered by Virtual Network Assurance. The addition of application-aware monitoring supplies the user with data which directly impacts the customer experience and allows for faster identification of SD-WAN problems and accurate preemptive capacity planning. Let's take a closer look at the SLA Classes and Paths. SLA Classes encapsulate the acceptable thresholds set by an SLA for three metrics: packet loss, jitter, and latency. Here we can see that the video SLA class has a packet loss threshold of 5%, a jitter threshold of 30 milliseconds, and a latency threshold of 100 milliseconds. SLA classes often correspond to required levels of service such as video, voice, and business-critical applications. An SLA class can be associated with one or more SLA paths. Shown here is the new context page, which has been developed for an SLA path, which is a construct unique to CA Performance Management and its SD-WAN solution. It represents a VPN tunnel used to transfer a particular type of traffic in SD-WAN communications merged with the corresponding threshold information from its SLA class. The resultant combination enables SLA paths to give exceptional insight into SD-WAN health for targeted pathways at the application level. In this inventory list of SLA paths, the video SLA class is referenced by several paths associating each of these paths with the thresholds we observed earlier. Both SLA classes and paths are automatically created in CA Performance Management through the Viptela support in CA Virtual Network Assurance. No configuration is necessary. Next, let's look at the SD-WAN Application Statistics Dashboard. CA Performance Management 3.1 introduced the SD-WAN Tunnel Statistics Dashboard, which provided the starting point for tunnel-based visibility into your SD-WAN environment. Similarly, CA Performance Management 3.2 introduces a new SD-WAN Application Statistics Dashboard, shown here, which expands analysis of SD-WAN health and performance into the application space by providing SLA path performance data. Like the original dashboard, both capacity planners and operations personnel can use this new dashboard as a starting point for an intuitive workflow, but this time from an application-centric perspective. Like other CA Performance Management workflows, dashboard views allow you to drill down to precision performance data and historical and trend-based perspectives, which enable early and effective identification of problems in your SD-WAN infrastructure. Let's examine how this new dashboard differs from the tunnel dashboard. As you can see, the views for the SD-WAN Application Statistics Dashboard are similar in many ways to its tunnel dashboard predecessor. However, there are two key differences. First, instead of VPN tunnel statistics, these views reflect performance and health data for SLA paths, here on the dashboard referred to as application paths. Second, rather than using base values for packet loss, jitter, and latency, SLA paths use percentage of threshold values. Such values are well suited to the application space since they intrinsically convey SLA level of compliance. Additionally, even if thresholds are reassessed and changed, the normalized percentage values are still accurate, allowing for historical compliance reports which span the threshold change. Now let's explore the dashboard views in greater detail. The upper four views of the SD-WAN Application Statistics Dashboard, Card, GeoMap, Time Bar, and Scorecard, match those of the Tunnel Dashboard. However, version 3.2 features enhancements to a couple of these views for both dashboards. The card view has improved so that you can click on a severity circle to see the data which generated the severity count. As seen here, this is done by listing the data in an expandable and collapsible panel. Also, the time bar view now allows for expansion of each time bar in order to view the three metrics individually. This allows you to quickly identify which metric is causing the worst-case criticality color of the parent time bar. Like the Tunnel Dashboard, the remainder of the views contains a pair of traffic views, an SD-WAN statistic table view, and an inventory hierarchy view, but also adds a trend table view for the SLA path statistics and an SLA classes view for convenient viewing of the various class thresholds. For more detailed information about enhanced Viptela SD-WAN support, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can go to the product documentation, visit the CA communities, or see the learning path.